Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Infosys Mphasis, two important updates, breaking news related to joining as well as joining extended. System engineer joining is extended, that is related to 22nd May, and candidates got the mail. Mphasis team announced the new onboarding date 10th May. So let's start the video and let's find out like why MNCs delay the onboarding. What is the main reason? So one of the most important point that I have mentioned in my previous video that industry experts suggest that IT company overhired during the pandemic and now are facing demand, which lead to huge bench sizes and inability to onboard freshers. Okay, so this is totally depends related to the demands. अगर demands ही नहीं होगी तो वो onboard कैसे कर पाएंगे? So the first update is Mphasis announced the onboarding date. There is a first joining date of 18th April. After that there is a new onboarding date of 10th May. Okay, so most probably there is a good news that is related to Mphasis. If you are waiting for Mphasis onboarding, so your date of joining will be 10th May 2023, and it is very good point because they are mentioning the joining date as a 10th May 2023 and the joining is in the form of phases itself. Okay, so don't worry if you not received the joining date yet. They are giving the joining date according to the demands and according to the phases. But there is a bad news from Infosys that there is a date of joining extension and so many candidates got this type of mail. To keep informed, your 22nd May 2023 date of joining has been extended and you will be receiving the new date of joining shortly. The same has already communicated by the recruitment team. Please ignore the launchpad credential which you have received. So this is only due to the demands. Okay, hiring इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई कि demands ही नहीं है, so वो अभी onboard नहीं कर पा रहे. But one of the most important point that I have to mention that it is not for all candidates. Okay, if you received this type of mail that your joining has been extended, so only your joining has been extended. Otherwise, if you are still waiting for the onboarding, there is chances that onboarding is according to the phases. Okay, मैं आप सभी को एक important point suggest करना चाहता हूँ. Okay, so the time is, ये time बहुत जा रहा है क्योंकि अभी देख रहे हैं कि onboarding का wait करते करते लगभग 1 साल होने आ गया है and अभी पता नहीं चल पा रहा है कि exactly demands किस हिसाब से होगी. कंपनीज आपको date of joining कब देंगे या onboarding कब देंगे. अब बात आती है वो देंगे फेजेस में, लेकिन फेज भी मतलब फेजेस कब तक चलेंगे क्योंकि हर मंथ निकल रहा है और नेक्स्ट मंथ ऑनबोर्डिंग एक्सटेंड हो रही है. अब जैसे अभी अप्रैल चल रहा है तो अभी मई स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, तो मई से फिर जुलाई वाला फेज स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, फिर उसमें हमें ऑनबोर्डिंग देखने को मिल सकती है. पर यहाँ पर 22 मई की भी ऑनबोर्डिंग एक्सटेंड हो चुकी है. ठीक है, तो फिर मई वो जून से जुलाई में भी जा सकता है. तो इतना वेट करने से अच्छा है कि अप्लाई फॉर द डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, ट्राई फॉर स्टार्टअप्स. ओके, मैं मानता हूँ इन्फोसिस एंड अदर एमएनसीज आर सो लाइक रेप्यूटेड एमएनसीज और वहां पर हमें मतलब वहां पर जॉब एंड इसी के साथ साथ वर्क करने का एक सपना भी रहता है, ड्रीम भी रहता है. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन एट अ सेफर साइड, if you have a skill set, you can choose any of the company or startup company or MNC and टेक एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, आप एक्सपीरियंस ले लीजिए, स्किल सेट अच्छा कर लीजिए, फिर आप बड़ी एमएनसीज में रेफरल लेके या फिर डायरेक्ट करियर पोर्टल से हायरिंग्स के थ्रू अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज माय सजेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू, as well as we are sharing so many good opportunities on our WhatsApp group, so check that opportunities. Okay, I know this is not a good news, but as I mentioned that it is not for the all candidates, it is for the 22nd May candidates. Okay, so hope so like कि joining मतलब phases में आ जाए, but तब तक आप different opportunities के लिए apply कर सकते हैं. Thanks for watching the video.